everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the 5-minute quick finisher for the body. It's just body weight this week. 5 minutes, 5 exercises. Let's get started. Down on the mat. Timer is on. We're starting in 10 seconds with push back crossovers. So on your fours. And now up, cross it over, up, cross it over, up. 30 seconds on each side. Switch. Brilliant, switch legs again, attitude pulses, cross your ankles, knee to the side, up, up. Keep the same position of the leg. Make sure your ankles are in line. Switch. Keep breathing. The next one is attitude pulses. So we're gonna stay up with the legs, switching legs again, of course. And now up and stay here and pulse. Ankles in line, leg is parallel to the ceiling. Squeezing the glutes, pulsing up and down, up and down, up and down. Switch. Okay, extend the leg to the side, and now leg raises here. And quickly switch. I'm gonna rotate this side, the other leg. Switch legs again, fire hydrant, the easiest version of this exercise. Just raise the leg, keep it bended to the side, up, up, up. And switch. Nice job everyone, well done. Okay, this was your 5-minute quick finisher for the booty. Mine is on fire. Go enjoy your day. That was amazing, well done. Make sure you check in with using hashtags JVFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free, fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joanav.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety, Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.